Hello to our Franklin University faculty, students, and participants for the Scholarship Showcase. My Scholarship Showcase includes a title of Empowering Students Through Faculty Mentorship, a Workshop Approach. This proposal aims to develop a comprehensive workshop designed to empower students with the tools, knowledge, and support essential for navigating academic challenges across all programs. This includes focusing on enhancing student engagement, academic success, and career readiness, designing as a scalable, adaptable model that institutions can implement, incorporating faculty mentorship as a key driver of student empowerment, and utilizing a research-backed framework to structure learning and professional growth. Faculty mentorship is a critical component. It is a proven strategy to increase student confidence and academic success by using the following. It improves student retention and success, enhances academic outcomes and career development, builds a sense of belonging and community, and encourages students to reach their full potential. Through mentorship, we're looking to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application, encourage personalized learning through direct faculty-student interaction, and support underrepresented groups in academia, providing guidance and role models. The key benefits for students include improved critical thinking and problem-solving skills, increased motivation and persistence, stronger professional network, and career opportunities. So let's talk a little bit about the theoretical framework. I chose the cognitive apprenticeship theory. This theory explains how learning occurs through guided experiences and speaks to faculty mentors that guide students through their college development process by modeling research methodologies, providing feedback, and enables mentees to develop their own research expertise. Furthermore, this theory emphasizes the importance of learning through mentorship in a real-world, authentic context. Mentors act as masters who demonstrate research skills, model behaviors, and they provide guidance. The key elements of this framework include modeling, that's the faculty demonstrates expert thinking and skills. Coaching, faculty guides students as they apply those skills. Scaffolding, support structures are gradually removed as students gain that competence and confidence. Articulation, this encourages students to verbalize their thought process. Reflection helps students evaluate and refine their understanding. And lastly, exploration. This encourages independent problem-solving skills and inquiry skills. This framework aligns well with mentorship programs by providing students that structured, hands-on learning experience. I chose the mixed methods approach for the research method. The rationale for using mixed methods approach is because it combines that quantitative and qualitative data for a rich understanding of impact, and it enhances the validity by using multiple sources of evidence. Graduate mentorship involves deeper academic discussions, critical thinking, and addressing complex theoretical concepts, while undergraduate mentorship is more focused on foundational knowledge and understanding core course material. While both levels of mentorship can involve personal development, graduate mentorship may place more emphasis on time management, resilience, and coping with that academic pressure due to the rigorous nature of academic studies. A few ways to get those data collection methods are surveys and questionnaires, where we can assess student confidence, engagement, and skill development. Interviews and focus groups, This is where we can gain in-depth insight into the student's experience. Observations. This is where we can evaluate student-faculty interactions during the mentorship process. And lastly, we have the pre and post workshop assessments. And this is used to measure those learning outcomes and that program effectiveness. And this is what's going to help carry that program through different iterations. For the data analysis, the quantitative is that descriptive and inferential statistics we use to measure impact. And that qualitative data is that thematic coding, and that helps us to identify the key mentorship benefits and challenges. Under results, when we're comparing the mentorship outcomes for graduate versus undergraduate students, some of the key findings from the data: graduate students benefit from specialized mentorship programs focused on research, professional networking, and career placement. Undergrad students require foundational support, including academic studying, planning, study skills, and career exploration. Faculty mentorship has a strong impact on undergraduate retention rates, while graduate students' mentorship influences that career trajectory and research productivity. So let's look at the key differences in those support needs. Implications for faculty and institutions. Undergrad mentorship programs should emphasize structured guidance and early career exploration, while graduate mentorship should focus on independent scholarship, professional networking, and leadership development. Institutions should tailor faculty mentorship training programs to support different levels of student academic and professional growth. So let's discuss the role of the faculty mentors. Researcher Jacoby in 1991 highlighted the importance of structured mentorship in supporting academic success and fostering academic productivity. Mentors under the faculty should play multiple roles in student development. Some of those key responsibilities include act as an advisor, be an advocate, function as a role model, motivate as a motivator, and furthermore, provide discussion questions for those mentees, such as, which of these roles do you believe is most critical? How can institutions better support faculty in fulfilling these mentorship roles? And where are some challenges that faculties may face in these roles, and how can they be addressed? And in conclusion, let's look at future directions. The proposed workshop will empower students through structured faculty mentorship, applying cognitive apprenticeship theories, ensure student develops real-world skills. A mixed methods approach provides comprehensive evaluation of program effectiveness. Future research could explore scalable across all diverse academic disciplines. And call to action: encourage faculty and institutions to integrate mentorship as a key part of student development. I thank you guys so much for listening to my pitch for the Scholarship Showcase. And my contact information is my name, Stacey Horn, and my email is horn, HORN 49 @email.franklin.edu. Thank you guys so much.